Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Teams. So dark mode changes the appearance of Teams from a bright background to a darker one. Many users prefer it because it's easier on the eyes, especially when working at night or spending long hours in front of a screen. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, look at the top right corner of the Teams window. Now, besides your profile, there's like a three dots in there, so click on that. So this will open a menu with several options. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, click on Appearance in the left side. So once you click Appearance on the right side, so here you'll see Theme. Now, on the right side, click this arrow right here and you'll see different theme options available. So you have light, dark, high contrast, or following operating system theme. So to enable dark mode, simply select dark. So as soon as you choose it, Teams will automatically switch to the dark theme. You should immediately notice the darker background and the updated interface. Now, if you'd like Teams to follow your computer's theme settings automatically, you can choose System Default or Follow Operating System Theme. So click on that. So this allows Teams to switch between light and dark mode based on your device settings. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.